with the wood that we received from the Amish here in Indiana, just up north of us. It's hard to tell what exactly the wood is. Oak, walnut, cherry, maybe maple. So we're going to plane a little off and I guess play a game of what type of wood is it. Maybe we'll show a picture before and after. Some of it's hard to tell. Some of you who may be better wood experts than me will readily recognize it, but it takes me. But here's a couple of the pieces before and after. So here's this piece. Here's that same piece after it's planed. This one you can see a little better graining. Here's another before. I believe this is cherry. I would lean towards cherry. It's got some boar beetle damage. Cherry. Walnut. Someone help me out with this one. We don't have ash around here much anymore. Not 100% sure. And then this will be the next one through there. So here's the first plane of the wood, and because I'm not 100% positive on some of the wood, I was asking Google AI. Now this one to me is obvious. This is a black walnut. This one is not so obvious to me. It's a heavy wood, dense wood. So I asked AI here, I Googled it, and it told me this was a piece of laminate flooring, which is a common color. So I asked it again and said, hey, this is a piece of natural wood. And it came back and gave me another weird answer. The last time I asked it, I said, hey, this is a piece of real solid wood. Can you tell me what type of wood it is? And here's its answer, to which I quote, AI, the image is a solid piece of wood, which is a piece of lumber cut directly from a tree, unlike engineered wood products cut directly from a tree. So the type of wood this is, directly from a tree. If any of you know what this is, please let me know. Black walnut or American walnut. This one appears to be walnut to me. I'm going to guess this was a piece of what I think is cherry. This looks like cedar. It again told me this was a piece of laminate flooring. Cherry. This feels like maple. I'm not 100% sure. Cherry, cherry. Now, according to AI, this is a Brazilian, what did it tell me? Brazilian something here. I'll look it up again because it's got some interesting answers. So we asked AI again, what is this? And this time the answer is the wood is redwood, but judged based on the color of the heartwood ranges, the grain and texture. It says it's coastal redwood. Interesting. I'm here in the middle of Indiana. So let's take a look at this piece and let's see what it'll tell us on that one. This is kind of entertaining. So get this thing to come up here. Let us take another photo. Ask it what kind of wood it is. This one, it says, is oak. I don't think I can go with that. Let's ask it about this cedar and see what it comes up with. See what we come up with here on cedar. So let's take a picture of the cedar. What kind of wood is this? Now, it heard me talking about cedar, so this time it says the wood is aromatic cedar, which is out of stock. Oh, this is actually entertaining to me. Let's ask it about this piece right here. What kind of wood is this? We are searching. That is Tuacahn laminate flooring, series TF60. I guess if you're the manufacturer of Tuacahn laminate, you should be very impressed right now that AI believes this solid piece of walnut is Tuacahn laminate flooring. Right there. Let's go back over here to try this thing again. Let's see if we get a different answer this time. What kind of wood is this? There we go. This time, and it's the third time or fourth that I've asked it, this time it said the wood shown in the image is white oak. If you agree with that, let me know in the comments. It believes that's white oak. I believe it's a form of oak. I'm not that good with woods. So let's ask it about this piece then. I don't remember the answer it gave me the first time on this one, but it was interesting. So what kind of wood is this? The wood in the image is a type of hardwood with a straight grain. It could be maple, white oak. If it is, it doesn't look like that other piece. Or American ash. I didn't know ash was that dark. I would guess that this is a type of oak in my estimation. Let's ask it one more time what it thinks that could possibly be. This time it says, oh, it's telling me there's 3 different types of wood in the picture. Going from the left, we have cherry, which I agree that's a black cherry. Then this is sassafras. The middle strip is sassafras because of its grain and its color and its pattern. And then this is eastern red cedar, which that is red cedar, that is cherry. It has an unusual color to it, but I'm still thinking that's a form of oak. Probably not sassafras, which it's showing here. Interesting. Well, that's been entertaining. Let's try this centerpiece again, this big piece of white wood here. It's listened to me talk about it for a while. Let's see what it says. What kind of wood is this? It is ambrosia maple, which is also known as wormy maple or ghost maple. Unique pattern discoloration. The gray makes it maple. Should have some beetle pinholes in it, says. I haven't seen any beetle pinholes in this particular wood. I've seen them in about every other piece of wood that's here. If you don't know what a beetle pinhole is, these are beetle holes. They live in a lot of wood, which is one of the reasons we kiln dry wood today. It kills the beetles inside. It's not just about drying wood. And we didn't kiln dry, years ago. And so a lot of the wood in the old buildings and that do have boar beetles in them and other insects. So ambrosia maple, sassafras or maple or laminate flooring. It did get the cedar right every time, so that is the wood that we planed so far. I'm looking for walnut to finish some trim in the house on the projects we started earlier. Kind of fun. Test our little AI knowledge out. Anyway, I don't know how you guys all are with AI, but sometimes AI is the dumbest kid on the block. Heaven help us all when this thing starts replacing our jobs in the next few months, because it is not always the brightest kid. Hope you guys are having a good one. It has changed its mind here, saying this is wormy ash. This one, it's convinced, is white oak. This is oak in my estimation. AI thinks this is poplar. All I can say to that is heck no. Okay, so after giving it 5 chances, it finally says this is black cherry. And again, I'm not the most schooled wood guy, but I would say this is black cherry. Walnut, black cherry, maple, black cherry, walnut, cedar, walnut. It's convinced this is ash. I'm not 100% sure. Walnut, cherry, walnut, white oak. Kind of fun.